So the ecosystem of our project, then integrating all of this technology and pedagogical approaches, looks something like this. You have ideation stage in which the kids explore the world. You have the planning stage in which they actually understand what they are going to do. You have the stage of creating, either by using 3D printing or by using recycled materials, PET bottles, cardboard, whatever you have, crafts materials. You build something that, according to your plan. Then you have also the programming, and for these we have habilitated even services that include AI. So the interactivity that you give to the created artifacts can be via voice commands or face recognition, etc. So the kids can also play with very advanced technologies and in a very accessible way. One of the projects, for example, that we have developed is just building a lighthouse in order to let the students understand how LED works and how can you actually make whatever constructions that you build interactive. It accommodates different levels of difficulty. One of the level of difficulty is just have your LED turn on and off, or just turn it on. Another level of difficulty is, okay, now try sensing the environment and make the LED react to the changes on the environment. And a third level of difficulty is use voice commands. So in here we're using AI programming. But the idea is that they play with the things that are around them and see how they can actually use technology to their own advantage, that they are not more afraid of using technology when they need to. This is the zero sensor. Is reading to the analog sensor of this Arduino board, and this is connected to my cucumber here. One thing is also that it has to close the circuit with my hand. So there you have it. Anytime that I'm touching and that it senses that it has changed, there is a drop in the flow of electricity because I'm closing it with my hand on the other side, the circuit, then it plays the note. So here, that's the sound of the last note, that's the sound of this particular note. That is the sound of this note. So you realize how conductive a material actually is, and then you can set up the different thresholds for the conductivity of the material. We don't show at the beginning all of the sensors working. We give 3-4 sensors so that they see what can be done, and that is up to them of how well they can scale it. They are not then that afraid because they see how one of them is connected and they see what they are doing. They understand what they are doing.